In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT inside Google Sheets to automate tasks and boost productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the Extensions menu at the top. Now, click on Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type SheetGPT and install the add-on. Once installed, go back to Extensions, find SheetGPT and launch it. Now click on any cell where you want to use ChatGPT. Type a formula like this: equals GPT, write a short product description. Press enter and within a few seconds you'll see AI generated content appear in your cell. Here's how it works. The GPT function sends your prompt to ChatGPT, processes it, and returns the result directly into your spreadsheet. You can use this for writing content, summarizing text, generating ideas, creating data, or even automating repetitive tasks. If the result isn't exactly what you want, just edit your prompt and press enter again. The better your prompt, the better your results will be. You can even drag the formula down to apply different prompts across multiple rows. This turns your spreadsheet into a powerful AI tool for work, business, or personal use. And that's it. A simple way to bring ChatGPT directly into your Google Sheets workflow. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical